Hi kids! Welcome to Little English Learners. Today's lesson is about something that we love so much. We are going to learn about animals. Who are animals? Animals are living things that can move, eat, and grow. Some live on land, some in water, and some can fly in the sky. So, are you ready to learn more? Let's go. First, we will learn about land animals. Look, this is an elephant. It is big, gray, and has a long trunk. Can you say elephant? Repeat after me. Elephant. Elephant. Here is a lion. It is called the king of the jungle. It has a big mane and a loud roar. Say it with me. Lion, lion, lion. Who is this? This is a giraffe. See how tall it is? Giraffe is the tallest land animal. It has a tall neck. Say with me. Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. Next is about water animal. This is a fish. It lives in water and breathes through gills. Say fish, fish, fish. And here is a dolphin. It is smart and loves to jump in the water. Repeat after me. Dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. Do you know who is this? It is a starfish. It shapes like a star. Say starfish, starfish, starfish. Now next is flying animals. This is an eagle. It can fly high and see very far. Say eagle, ego, ego. And here's a butterfly. It has colorful wings and loves flowers. Say butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. Do you know it? It is an owl. We can see owls at night. To say with me, owl, owl. Today we learned about elephant, lion, giraffe, fish, dolphin, star, fish, eagle, butterfly, owl. Now it's your turn. Say the names loudly. Very good. You are doing so well. Kids, keep practicing. See you on our next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.